Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the question to the core concepts, and then map those to me-SH language. First, pick 3-5 keywords that capture your topic. Next, search the me-SH browser to find preferred headings. Make sure you note entry terms and common synonyms so you do not miss variants. Once you have the heading, record its tree number and scope note. This helps you decide whether to include narrower terms or broader ones in the query. Begin building a short list of candidate headings. Now translate your headings into a search strategy and test it. Combine related me-SH headings with or to capture synonyms, and use and to intersect concepts. Use not sparingly. If available, tag fields or mark a heading as major topic to emphasize importance. Decide whether to explode a heading to include narrower terms and add relevant subheadings like diagnosis or therapy to focus results. Once done, run a small test search and scan results to ensure relevance before expanding the query further. Finish by reviewing the retrieved records and tuning your strategy. Look at titles and abstracts to spot missing concepts, then add free text terms or alternate me-SH headings to cover gaps. Apply limits for dates, age groups, study design, or language to reduce noise. If you get too few results, broaden by removing a limit or exploding a heading. If too many, add subheadings or require major topic. One tip: if records are irrelevant, recheck scope notes. Often a closely named heading means something slightly different.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.